it's yes sir, no sir, another day of...
Oh, it was brilliant.
Absolutely brilliant.
Fantastic.
Never lets us down. Every time we come here, it's fantastic.
Amazing.
Absolutely outstanding.
Outstanding.
Oh, every single performance, every single voice was absolutely on point.
Superb. It's brilliant. The kids are very talented. Very good.
Really emotional, funny and terribly sad.
Brilliant. Amazing.
It was, I was going to say brilliant. No, they were absolutely fantastic. I loved it. Everyone was incredible.
Laughed, cried. It was amazing.
It was honestly incredible. I loved every second of it.
Amazing. Blown away. Amazing.
The emotion, the laughter, everything was there.
Just talent, so much talented children, just amazing.
Wow, what an amazing show. So powerful, such a powerful story. If you get a chance to come and see it, please come and watch. You won't be disappointed.
It was brilliant. The kids are fantastic. I'd never heard of the show before, but it was brilliant. The show was brilliant. The production of it was brilliant. The cast were phenomenal. The music was brilliant. It was amazing. So well done. Come and watch it.
It's one of the best shows I've seen in a long, long time. It really was. It hits at every heartstring and it's got you rolling around in the eyes laughing as well. It's just brilliant. We'll be back.
Come and watch
We'll
it. Get
definitely
tickets. Be back. Come and watch it again. Definitely.
Fab.
£9 and it's...